Hey everybody, welcome back to 3D Kool Hacks. In this video, I've been moving my studio around a little bit and I just wanted to show you the back before I moved it into place. So right now I have two different AMSs. My first AMS right here is the ASM2 Pro that actually has the heater on it, and this is just a traditional AMS. So I was really skeptical about how to hook this up when I was actually going to do 8 colors at one time, and I felt like I came up with a pretty good situation right here. So if you notice right here, we do have the first one plugged into the hub right here for it actually controls this one just right here. But what I did was I actually put another tube with one of Bambu's quick connectors on here, and it's really nice because they actually send you another longer cable depending on what you're trying to do, and you can just keep this freely unhooked. And what you're doing is you're just truly taking this and you're plugging it into this, you're unplugging your other AMS, and these quick connector tools you can print out really fast, really quick, but you just click it on right here, pop out your tube, and then you put it into your quick connect tube. So right now, as simple as that, and everything works just fine. I just hooked up two AMSs together, and once again, it all works really, really well. Where it comes to this, the Bambu software automatically recognizes you having two AMSs together. And once you're finished with it, it's as simple as literally taking the Bambu Quick Connect, disconnecting it, putting it back into your hub, unplugging the one that comes from that particular AMS, and plugging this one back in. Once you start up this particular printer now, everything will be working right now. And once again, this only recognizes this AMS, and then this printer only recognizes this AMS. I think it's pretty handy. The biggest thing I would suggest is give yourself some room behind the printer to actually go through it, because how I set this was up for I can actually get behind it and just do a little disconnect right here and reach around from the middle to get it. But I hope this helps you out. It's a pretty simple explanation about how to just connect multiple AMSs, especially with the Bambu. Once you connect them, automatically recognizes the software, recognizes everything that you have in there. But if you have any other questions about this, feel free to leave some comments. Tell me if this helped out, and I hope the video helped out, to be honest with you, because it took me a quick minute to figure this out. But thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.